crushing my chest, but I never crack. I was born in the fire, ain't no turning back. Pull up young, wild and dangerous. Chain on my neck, matching my candians. They prayed on my downfall, that shit was madness. Now I'm back with a vengeance, make the crowd savage. Talk slick, get hit, no get fake. I twice, I retaliate. Rip from the dirt, no silver plate. I'm the glitching your system overright. Black is bloody, still I press more. Every sky told me how to wage war. If it ain't with me, get on my fucking door. Cause young and bad, don't keep the score. Look at the digital dash, running out all of the cash. I hate that spot on the dot, they wanted everything I got. They didn't see the vision inside of the basement. Now I'm pacing. Look at the time that I spent on the grind. Living the fakes and the left behind. I do not care what they say anymore. Foot on the gas and then stop to the floor. Chopping the rapper to get to the top. I dropped